Passive income sounds like the ultimate goal. Money rolling in while you're on the beach, while you sleep, while you do absolutely nothing. But here's the cold truth. The dream is sold way more than the reality is lived. Is passive income really as passive as everyone makes it out to be? Let's break it all down. No fluff, just facts. We destroy money-making myths, call out toxic hustle culture, and expose the truth behind the grind. Today, we're talking about the dark side of passive income, the stuff influencers never put in their captions. The effortless myth. You've heard it before. Make money while you sleep. Set it and forget it. One ebook and you're rich. But let's be real. None of that happens without massive upfront work. That ebook, it took months to write, edit, design, and market. That YouTube channel, it took hundreds of hours of research, scripting, recording, and praying for the algorithm to show some love. That rental property, it needed capital, renovation, management, and paperwork. Even affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or print-on-demand need content, SEO, traffic, and constant testing. Passive income isn't free money. It's delayed payment for front-loaded effort, and most people give up long before the payments ever arrive. The psychological burnout. Here's a side effect nobody talks about: the mental toll of building a passive income stream. You start with excitement, but then comes doubt when results don't show up fast enough. Burnout when you're juggling everything alone. Anxiety from comparing yourself to creators already 5 years ahead, and because everyone on the internet is shouting, "I made $10,000 in a week." Зрение. Вы чувствуете себя провалом, когда вы не. The truth? Most of those success stories don't mention the years of trial, error, and struggle behind them. The hidden costs of scaling. Let's say your system finally starts working. You're making money. Congrats. But now, you want to scale. And that's when the hidden costs hit hard. Scaling passive income means paid tools, CRMs, ad managers, automation software, hiring help, editors, VAs, developers, more content, more systems, more moving parts. Suddenly, your passive business starts to feel very active again. It's like building a machine. Yes, it runs itself, but only if every bolt is tight, every gear is clean, and you're checking on it regularly. Neglect it, and the whole thing breaks down. The myth of consistency. Another lie, that once it works, it'll always work. But nothing online is guaranteed. A viral video today might flop tomorrow. Google changes its algorithm and your blog traffic dies. Platforms change policies. One day you're monetized, the next you're demonetized. Nothing is set and forget forever. The internet is always shifting. And if you stop adapting, your passive income goes pass-away income. The risk factor. Now let's talk risk. The kind that hides under the surface. YouTube channels get hacked. Digital products get pirated. Ad accounts get banned. Property values crash. Courses get outdated. And when you rely too much on one source of passive income, a single disruption can kill your cash flow. That's why the rich don't just build one stream, they diversify, not because it's trendy, but because it's necessary. Shiny object syndrome. Passive income also creates another problem: shiny object syndrome. Once you make a little money from one source, your brain starts chasing the next opportunity. Crypto, dropshipping, AI tools, stock trading, NFTs, whatever's trending. You jump from one thing to another, never building one solid system, just half-built bridges everywhere. And guess what? Half-built bridges don't take you anywhere. So, is passive income a lie? Number. It's not a lie, but it's a long game. It's not passive in the beginning. It's investment heavy. Time, energy, money, and patience. The dream is real, but only for those who grind smart, not just hard. It requires building systems, hiring help, and thinking like a business owner, not just a hustler. It's not about working less, it's about working differently. Final thoughts. Here's the truth they won't sell you in a $997 course. Passive income can free you, but it can also trap you in a cycle of false expectations. It demands strategy, not just hustle. It takes resilience, not just optimism. And it pays off, only after you've paid in. So don't get discouraged, just be aware. Play the long game, build smart, and always keep control of your empire.